So, by popular demand, another campground cooking episode. If you haven't seen the chicken rice episode already, you're going to want to see that. I'll put it on the end of the video for you. But this time, it's a breakfast, and it's similar, so here we go! So we've got just about 2 cups of shredded cheese, a package of potatoes, and 2 ham steaks cut up into bite-sized pieces. Now we're also going to use some seasoning salt, some fresh ground pepper, some onion powder, and some garlic granules. And I've already beaten the eggs, and that's 4 eggs. Now, this dish feeds between 4 to 6, so there are going to be leftovers for us, and unless you're feeding a big family, leftovers for you, so keep that in mind as you're cooking. You will also need some olive oil or vegetable oil. We prefer vegetable oil when we're doing potatoes, so you're going to need some of that for the Blackstone griddle that we're going to use for cooking. So we've got the Blackstone on low, heated up. It's been heating for a little bit, so now we're going to put the potatoes with some oil. It's about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's spread around. Ready for our potatoes. We want to get it into a single layer. Flat single layer so that it's brown. Now, unlike the fried rice where we started with all the vegetables and everything first, this time we're going to start with potatoes because the rice was already cooked and we were just turning it into fried rice. This time we actually have to cook the potatoes. So we're going to do that. Now we're going to season them up. We're going to do a layer of our seasoned salt. Not too much, just enough to get a little color all over. A couple of grinds with the pepper mill. Little onion. And you can go stronger or lighter depending on your taste. And just a little bit of garlic. Now it's going to sit like that for a while to brown. So now we're going to add the ham. And we want the ham to get brown on all sides. Now it's already cooked. It's one of the nice things about using ham steak. You're just going to warm it up and brown it up. Ham's getting pretty brown. Let's check on the potatoes. Best way to check on them, just peek up under the edge a little. They're getting brown, so it's time to flip them. sweet potatoes over here. Everybody stay together. Right now we're doing separate but equal, but we're going to combine them later. So I've now moved the ham around. It's almost completely brown all the way. And the potatoes have been flipped a few times, so they're about brown too. So the ham's done, the potatoes are almost finished, so we're gonna mix them together. So we've got them all mixed together, equally browned up and nice. One thing I did forget to mention, you need about a tablespoon of butter, which we're going to put on the Blackstone for the eggs. Want to get it quick. Then we're going to mix them in with the potatoes. Now we got it all mixed together, we're going to add the cheese. We're going to need a little more once we mix it together. Almost all done. As you can see, it makes a lot. Only one last step, and that's to eat it. So let's go do that. Since I'm happy enough to cook it for you, Anne is happy enough to try it for you.
That is for sure. So let's try this. Cheesy goodness. That's good. And I don't even like eggs, so can't be all that bad.